then it would be annoying and it would be really strong. After every 10 minutes, it would change. Snowy to lightning to sunny to cloudy to rain.
The wind if it gets too windy, because I think I might get blown up into the wind. Yeah, my mum told me that people actually got blown up into the sky before, never to come back.
You can feel the tide turning by the wind as well if you're tuned into that, can't you? The wind changes, you know, the tides change.
Sea monster arrived is literally one of the sickest things I've seen. With the locals, sea monster just caused the hugest palaver.
Make sure that you treat your earth as you treat your body. You wouldn't let your body decay. Give the earth its own kind of spa day.
For a while, so I better learn how to look after the earth. Remember that we are stewards of the earth. We only have it for so long.
An almighty stage, Sea Monster is the biggest platform of its kind to tell stories of reuse, renewable energy, and the great British weather. Sea Monster was made possible by Unboxed, creativity in the UK.
almost like programmed, isn't it? No.